Do not cook in a microwave. Oh, God. Fucking hell, fuck it, we'll put it in, bro. Oh, no. Oh, no, it doesn't look good.
Is it golden brown?
It's exploded.
No,
It's leaking.
that can't be.
What?
The Hot Pocket?
Something's leaking.
A Hot Pocket's not good unless it leaks.
No, chicken pot pie.
Oh, that's not good.
That's not good. That's really bad. It's leaked off the plate. Fucking hell. We got no cutlery either.
Yes. 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 Anemic pie.
Fucking yeah. Let's get into this. Let's get stuck in.
Oh, this
And then when I crack this open, don't all jump at once.